today we're here in Queens, New York for our STEM Saturday involving instruction and design in partnership with AECOM and the Borough of Queens. So we have all kinds of activities to engage kids and hands-on activities to engage them in structures and design, from building a construction home project, while younger kids will build a model home out of popsicle sticks. And then our 3rd through 12th grade kids are going to build a windmill out of popsicle sticks and wooden dowels, and they're going to add the motor and all kinds of circuitry to engineer their own windmill that's going to work, that they get to take home with them. And also our kids are also going to have the opportunity to build a Ferris wheel, where they're going to put all the parts together to make a spinning Ferris wheel to complete a project, to say that, hey, I can do STEM, and just to make sure all kids have the opportunity to be hands-on and create structure and learn about all the opportunities in a STEM career.
Yeah, so right now we're just trying to build some bridges. We're trying to use different designs to see which ones hold the most weight.
STEM is the future. STEM is now. STEM is the future. And we don't have any other option than to help these kids activate what the future will be. And in Queens, we're leading the way. Our Borough President, Donovan is founding the first ever Global Tech and Innovation Center in New York City, understanding the globalization of STEM and not, making sure that it sits outside of a one-track type of way. That means that Queens is the most diverse place to live on the planet. And so all of these minds around STEM, coming from different cultures, coming from different backgrounds, can really change the world in a different way. Our large language models, we need a highly diverse way of executing and arranging. It starts here. And you guys are doing the work, and we really appreciate Dr. Calvin for coming out and even asking us to participate in this, because it's something that our Borough President, Donovan Richards, really believes in.
We started with a layer of sand. We added water to give the sand more structure, to hold it together. We put screening in between to work as like a base, like for more structure, to hold everything together. And yeah, we layered it at least 4 times.
Today's an amazing day. Just being able to pour into the kids, the future innovators, for them to get themselves involved and immersed in these projects that will show them how to problem solve and create solutions that will fuel our future. I believe it's part of our social responsibility to help to bring up that next generation of engineers that will help to not only change New York, but also change the world.
Backing up, and then all up, and then, but I did one side first, adding, and then another side. And then, I put the triangles, and then put them together, and connected these. Right here. And then I connected it, and we did tricks to put these through, and then I put this through, and I just turned it on.